Hi, meteorologist Rich Marriott. On this Tuesday, we're looking at continued cold weather, especially up in the northern counties where they've been seeing single-digit wind chills. It has been absolutely frigid, and it is by far the coldest place around Puget Sound. We take a look at the almanac there for SeaTac for yesterday. You can see on that our temperatures overall are not looking all that bad. We've got those temperatures only getting into the upper 30s, but overnight lows not that cold compared to normal, mostly in the low 30s there around the airport. If we check out Bellingham, however, you can see quite a bit of difference. 26 degrees for their highs, their low is 21, but that was with strong gusty winds, which has really chilled them down. And they've been seeing wind chills around, especially near the Canadian border, temperatures down into the negative numbers over the last couple days. Not quite as cold right now, but pretty close. Take a look at the Doppler radar. Pretty typically what we're seeing today, that low off the coast has kind of slid away from us a little bit, and it's rotating the showers primarily into the coast and maybe into parts of the Kitsap Peninsula and along the Hood Canal, but not much in them. We're not expecting to see anything of any consequence coming out, maybe a trace kind of here and there during the day, but overall not going to add any more to the snow we have around the area. Checking the views from some of our cameras, you can see a nice looking day there in Bellingham, at least to look at. But if we take a look at the readouts from the SchoolNet sites there, Ferndale has been consistently right by the Canadian border, the coldest. Horizon Middle School there, 19 degrees, but with the wind blowing there, it feels like 2 degrees. Franklin Academy up in Bellingham, 24 degrees, their wind chill 18. Over on the northern portion of the Olympic Peninsula, checking out Squam, you see those winds lose their push by the time they get across the strait. They're at 34 degrees and they're not feeling any wind chill at all. Checking the Columbia Tower cam, you can see that kind of snow line out there in the distance over towards Bellevue where the snow is accumulated. And in fact, we check our SchoolNet site at the Open Window School, definitely a snow scene. It looks like they have maybe 6-8 inches of snow on the ground there, and definitely a different world from what you see in the main metropolitan areas around western Washington right now. You can see there in Tacoma, not seeing any snow in the city, but out in the distance, and at least seeing a little bit of sunshine. It's good and bad. It's warming things up, but it's warming things up enough that the remaining snow is melting and wetting those roads down. Then we're heading into the overnight hours where we're dropping well below freezing, and that's hitting us up with some ice in the mornings, which is what we're looking to see happen through most of the remainder of the work week. Take a look at our first alert 7-day forecast. You can see today just a couple showers around, not really amounting to anything. They could be rain or snow showers, and tend towards a few snow flurries as we head towards later on today, and partly sunny overall. Those highs holding at least south of the northern county, south of Whatcom County, in the upper 30s. As we head into tomorrow, we might start with some icy roads once again because we might see some clearing overnight tonight. Then it looks like we'll see some rain or snow showers spread out from the south during the afternoon. We could see a trace to maybe 2 inches of wet snow develop, primarily south of Seattle, it looks like, especially down in the South Sound and with a little bit of elevation. Snow levels tomorrow should be around 200 to 300 feet during the day, so you might see some accumulations, which once again will leave us potentially with wet roads as we head into Wednesday night. Thursday and Friday, maybe a few flurries or some rain showers. Pretty much dry with partly sunny skies, temperatures getting into the upper 30s, and then over the weekend might see things increase again a little bit. Checking out the satellite image, you can see that big upper level low off the coast, and that's full of those speckly clouds, which are showers, which are kind of rotating into us. What's going to be happening as we head towards Wednesday is we're going to see that band to the south of us is lifting northward. That's going to push probably as far north as about Seattle with some moisture, giving us that chance of mixed rain and snow showers, or just snow showers as that pushes through and then on to the east of us. Take a look at the snowfall we're looking at for around the area for today. As you can see, not really amounting to very much, just in the fractional amount, so really meaning it's just in the air overall and not expecting to see much in the way of any accumulation. So the mountains might get 1 or 2 inches, it looks like, overall, so they should be in pretty good shape. So again, for today, we're going to be looking for just a couple showers around, otherwise partly sunny, upper 30s. Tomorrow we'll see rain or snow move in as we head towards the afternoon, mainly south of Seattle, upper 30s. We'll see that decrease as we head towards Wednesday night. Thursday and Friday, generally dry, maybe a couple of flurries in the overnight hours or a couple of rain showers during the day. You can see those overnight lows, though, staying in the 20s, so any wet roads will end up with icy roads in the morning. So keep close track with our forecast and so you know what you're going to run into as you head out the door on Thursday and Friday. Over the weekend, we do get brushed by a weather system that might give us a few mixed rain and snow showers. Doesn't look like it's going to really accumulate that much over the weekend. It will be a teeny bit warmer, with at least highs getting around 40 degrees and overnight lows upper 20s and low 30s. As we head back to work on Monday, back to partly sunny with just a couple flurries around and temperatures in the upper 30s. And looking at that extended temperature forecast, you can see we pretty much stay in that cool pattern all the way through most of next week. So it looks like a pretty good start to the month of February, a sharp contrast to that dry January that we had.